Hey guys, I've got 3 free tools that are a must-have when doing affiliate marketing on YouTube. My name is Scott Anderson. I'm here with Start Funnels. On this channel, we talk about how to make money online, affiliate marketing, etc. So if you'd like to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe and tip that bell notification. Now that we've got all that stuff out of the way, let's go ahead and dive into the good stuff. Okay, the first free tool is Keywords Everywhere. Guys, this will help you so much with your affiliate marketing research. Let me show you how it works. First of all, you can get this for free. It's a Chrome extension. This is their website. This is where to get it, okay? Now let me show you how it works. So I'm on Google right now. I'm searching ClickFunnels. And you can see here that all these results show different things. So ClickFunnels login showing 4,400 a month. So just a regular keyword, ClickFunnels is showing 4,000 searches a month on average. Now, what does that really mean? Well, in the last 12 months, the last year, this search term has been searched 4,000 times on average per month. Okay, now I got that information right from Keywords Everywhere website. So this, you know, as an affiliate, what is being searched. And then not only is it cool right there, but it gives you all these related keywords and what's the volume, what's the competition. And the competition, by the way, is scored from 0 to 1. 1 is being like the most competitive keyword. So ClickFunnels login, not very competitive. ClickFunnels onboarding, 0.66, it's getting a little bit more competitive, okay? So now let's show you how to do this on YouTube. So you're on YouTube right here, and we're also going to search just the regular word, keyword, ClickFunnels. Sure enough, that data is consistent. Now I want to highlight this, and it says only Google releases their search volume, period. Then it says, we therefore show the Google search volume whenever you search or do a run search on YouTube or Amazon or other things. So guys, this keyword tool really is only giving you Google results, which is fantastic because Google is the biggest search engine out there. Okay, so that is Keywords Everywhere. Tool number 2 that is completely free is vidIQ. They do have a paid version, but you can get the free version and it'll give you lots of information. So let me show you what this will do. So we're searching for ClickFunnels, and this is YouTube's search results. And sure enough, I've got the Keywords Everywhere here, but now let's look over here where it says vidIQ Basic. Basic is the free version. Okay, so search term is ClickFunnels. It's showing that there's the views, average subscribers. Okay, added last 7 days. So that keyword in a YouTube video, it's been added 4 times out of this 20 search results right here. Now, if I let this upload here to do more results, then this should update here to 37. You see that? And times in title. So ClickFunnels keyword and this 37 search result is 31 times is showing up in the search results in this YouTube search right here. So that's this tool when searching. And then let me show you the back end tool. So this is my best performing video with Start Funnels, and this is all vidIQ stuff right over here, which gives you this SEO score, and then it gives you a checklist. The checklist tells you all the things that you should be doing to rank higher. That's what vidIQ is all about, is to help you be more competitive on YouTube, get your videos found, etc. So very, very helpful when doing affiliate marketing. Okay, it also gives you recommended tags. There's so much value with vidIQ. You definitely need to get it. All right, now that you've got the Keywords Everywhere installed and your vidIQ installed, now let's chat about the third free tool, and that's right on YouTube. Super, super simple. Okay, so it's the search bar. Now let me explain how and why this is effective. So let's search leaderboard affiliate. So as you can see here, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different referred things that are the top searches within YouTube. So we're searching leaderboard affiliate right here. We're going to click on that. And let me show you the tool. So it's essentially showing like zero competition. And what is Leaderboard Affiliate? It is a new affiliate marketing program that teaches others how to do affiliate marketing, okay? So this came out like a few months ago. All right, so zero's there, but then let's look at vidIQ, which shows you that no, people are searching for it, and times in title is 16 out of 20. So there's 16 people out there or videos out there that are trying to rank for this. Now, as you know, this is coming from Google, not YouTube. So people that are in this affiliate marketing YouTube world are probably searching for it on YouTube, but maybe not on Google. All right, so, or at least, and this doesn't have data in the last 12 months either, because it's only been out for a month or two. But guys, so as you can see, kind of competitive leaderboard affiliate. Sorry, it's, yeah, overall it's saying 50 or 49 out of 100. But let's switch these around. Let's do affiliate leaderboard, because I feel like these two words could be interchanged. So believe it or not, people are searching for this 20 times per month, which is a little bit more. Affiliate leaderboard. But you can see here, times in title is 0. Times in description, 0. By the way, Joshua Elder, the top creator right here, he's one of my mentors, and he's absolutely crushing it on YouTube with affiliate marketing, and I'm sure he's definitely using these tools. All right, you guys, that is the end of this video. I hope that those 3 tools will help you on your affiliate marketing journey here on YouTube. Thank you for watching, guys. If you liked the video, please like it. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe and hit that bell notification. And here's some recommended videos. You guys have an awesome day, and I'll see you in the next video.